In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and most compassionate. Dear student, before I'm going to start my lecture, try to subscribe my channel, Multi Skills Learn Academy. So this is my channel, so try to subscribe my channel. Come to your topic. Today we are going to start page layout, right? One of the most important topic. We have page layout, right? So let's begin. The first one, if I'm going to write here equal range, and then is, for example, I copy this text and paste multiple times. I select all the text. Then come to the first menu, like the first point we have in here, margin. What does margin mean, sir? Four side of the page people call them margin. So which one you want to select? So there is a different style, but I'm going to select the normal one. If somebody is asking this question, like some people is asking this question, so what about this one? We can also use this one in here, but mostly this one is used in the newspaper and magazines. Clear, we can use this one, but for a normal document we should take a normal. There is two type of orientation. The first one, portrait and landscape. Which one you want to study, like for example, which one you want to choose? So as you wish. If you want to take in landscape, so you can take in landscape. If you want to take in portrait, so you can take in portrait. The next one, size. Like by default there is a different type of style is available. By default we are using A4. Normally in every organization we can use this one, A4. The next one is column. I need this text in 2 column or in 3 column. And then when you take this one, press Ctrl J for justify. Right now if you see English newspaper, that will be same to same like this, that as I mentioned in here. Because they're also taking 3 column from here. But if you want to take in 1 column, so that will be converted to the paragraph, right? If you need 1 column, 2 column, and 3 column. If anybody is asking, we can take more than, of course we can take, but normally we are using 3 columns, right? Take this one. Before, if you are going to apply hyphenation, take them in 2. When I'm going to take in 2, then come to hyphenation and apply automatically. So this is called hyphenation. Let me zoom this one for you people because this one is important. Look at this one. This is called hyphenation. Document. So it means this hyphenation, or people call them in English language phonetic symbol. So this one is mentioned with this one. It means this word is also with this one. So that's why people call them hyphenation. And mostly this one is used with a newspaper and magazine. We can use this one. Clear? Again, I'm select all of them and take it in one page, like in one paragraph. Then zoom out. Right? The next one we have number. The important point, this one is number. In MS Word program, I need a line number. Take it continue, starting from the first one up to end of the line. See, all of them is a number. If I say no, restart each page, so it means from the first one start up to here, like up to here. That is 37. Again start from the first one, right? Because I select. If you take continue, so continue from the first line, start up to end, that will be continue. Restart each page means in every page they are going to start from the first one. What does restart each section means? Someone say, no, I'm going to start first from the 21. Then click, come to the break and take it continue. Then come to line number, then click on the restart each section. So that will be start from the first one, right? The next one is in here, suppress for current paragraph. Someone say, no, I don't need line number with this one, this paragraph. Then click it suppress. When I'm going to take suppress, it means that will be, it means this line number will be cut from here. Again, if I'm going to take none of them, so take this one, so all the line number will be finished. Take all of them, like for example, I do need line number, then take it this one, none of them, right? The next one is break. Break means if you're going to take a new page, so from here you can take a new page. Column we already discussed, like I'm going to take this one in the 2 column, but from the first column I'm going to the second column, then click on the break, automatically that will be going to the second column. But we can say easily click here, that is going also from the clicker. Number 3, text wrapping. Yeah, text wrapping. Look at, I'm going to type some text in here. If I enter means they will create a huge space in the middle of the text. If someone say, no, I'm going to write a text, with this text I'm going to write near text with no space, then click text wrapping from here. Look at right now, so close to each other. The shortcut keys of this one is shift enter. But one point, let me tell you, when I'm going to complete MS Word, so after that I'm going to tell you all the shortcut keys of MS Word program, the important shortcut keys which we are using in the office, which we are using in the in exam, like there is a different type of tester. So I am telling to you all of them at the end of the MS Word. So the next one, again page layout. The next one we have, for example, next page. If I'm taking this next page, this one is also for a new page, but the number will be changed. Now it's number 2. The number should be changed. And the next one is continue. I already discussed this topic in here with the section. I already discussed this one. If I'm going to take even means I'm going to print this page like 2, 4, 6, 8 like this. This is called even. An ordered page means like 1, 3, 5, 7, 11. Like this, people call them ordered page. The next one is, again, I'm going here and I'm going to write one of the paragraph equal range. And I select all of them, left side spacing, so choose this one, right side, then before, then after, right? 4 side of the people call them margin, you can give them a space. The next one, position is not working when I'm going to draw one of the shapes, so that will be working. I'm going to draw one of the shape. So where is shape available in here? One of the shape I draw, then come to page layout menu. So I need, like for example, like this. So different type of space. You can also move from here easily, right? If you need in the middle of the text, like for example, square form like this, behind of the text. So all of them is available in here, different type, right? So the next one is like position, this one. Draw 3 shapes. Like for example, draw the first one and take them some copy. Control C, then Control V, and give them a different color. Control C, then V, then give them the next color. I'm standing at the end one, and I select the end one, but I need this shape forward. Forward means 1 step forward. So that will be 1 step forward from that one. Again, set backward when that will be going back side of the text, back side of the shape. If you take this one in front of, bring in front of means, so that will be coming to the front one. If I again send to back, click this one. If you have a text in here and I need in front of to the text, or if I click this one behind the text, so the shape will be going behind the text. First you are going to write a text in here equal range, so that will be working over there. Selection pane, like in geo, in organization, like let me delete this one. This one is, for example, one of the organization shape. Like for example, if somebody needs some experience later, like other things, so some of the organization, they want to hidden their own shape. So from here you can, it means hide your shape. Like for example, if I'm going to hide this one after a long time, I'm coming back to set my computer, then again you can show from here easily. Click on the show, that will be show, right? Like it means if you want to your shape, your logo, if you want to hide, so you can hide. And it is important to be hide, because some of the employees maybe they will copy your shape and they will use in the wrong way. So that is why we hidden our shape. Alignment, if I'm taking a copy of this one, Control C, then we click Control button, press and make it group of this one. Like for example, I click all of them. This number 2, this is number 3, and this is number 4. And come here. Rotate means it will be rotate like this. Group means it will be in the group form, movement in the group form, group. The next one means alignment, like for example, this 2 is in the group form. Now I want to check the alignment, both of them in the center, both of them in the top, in the right, in the left. You can take it from here also. You can move it also easily from mouse like this, right? And this was the meaning of layout. Again, I'm telling to you guys, because I'm going to make you a good videos, techniques, and also shortcut keys, and you were answering questions. So try to subscribe our channel, Multi Skills Learn Academy. So this one is available on the YouTube, so you can join soon. So all the videos is available. So try your best if you're going to start, so you can see the videos from starting up to end. So it will be more easy for you people. Sometime when I'm going to complete your courses, so I will teach you some different techniques, that how you can hack the system, so how you can open from different ways MS Office by different techniques, different shortcut keys I'm going to mention. So try to subscribe our channel, then we will see and meet over there. Have a good time for you and take care of yourself.